kid just leaves his stuff outside. Someone could just fucking pull up and steal this shit. I bet you any money this kid's gonna come out with camera in hand, talking. Hey guys, this is Joey Golf. Going on a road trip, my friend Mason.
As you see, there's Mason right there holding his camera. It's all wait to him.
I knew it, dude. I fucking knew it. Mostly because you said it, but I knew you were gonna come out with that in your fucking chest harness.
Hey, there's Mason. This is where we're going to Virginia with.
Joey! What does that say? We made it!
West Virginia!
West Virginia. Yeah, we're stopped on the middle of the expressway. It's probably not a good idea. What do you think?
Fuck it.
I don't think there's any cars coming.
We'll send.
Yeah.
Want to get a picture?
This is a... I don't want to get a picture. I think that's a little too much. Just woke up. Got SpongeBob over there, Patrick right here. Oh, my legs hurt. Whoa. Where are we? Are you pissing? Are you taking a piss? We in good old West Virginia. Got a beautiful view over here. Hey Joey, how much for you to swing on this vine right here?
What?
How much for you to swing on that vine?
Like Tarzan?
Do it.
Fuck it.
Yeah, that's fucking little shrimp ass vine ain't gonna do shit. This is really a really nice view. Yeah, we got a nice little drive right now. You got a shout out for Adon? You got anything to say to him?
Hey, shout out to Adon for having some normal eyes. I'm like Addy with his lazy eye.
Oh my god, dude. Had to say that.
Beautiful.
Had to say that, bro. Don't ask why I got two different color socks on, bro. I'm colorblind, dude. I didn't even know. I don't even know now that I got two different color socks on. Damn, bro. What up, SpongeBob?
Delete that out of the video.
Oh, at the gang sign? I'm posting it. I'll blur it out, don't worry. Yeah, he's SpongeBob and I'm Patrick since I got the pink on and stuff. He's the smart one, I'm the dumb one.
The Outlaws.
Or he's the annoying one, I'm the dumb one. Oh, a little butterfly. That's actually a moth. Oh, no, it's a butterfly. Give me a little kiss.
The home of the hillbillies.